Zelna Juha, cabbage soup that is simple, tasty, and healthy. You're going to need olive oil, organic cubes, onion, cabbage, garlic, stewed tomatoes, paprika, bay leaves, and salt and pepper to taste. Remove the outer leaves and discard them. Discard your core. Chop a head of lettuce to small pieces and then 1 onion and 2 cloves of garlic. I just want to show you a little trick. So when you peel your garlic and you see that green stuff, this is the stuff that usually upsets your stomach. So just cut it in half and remove this part out. And then that's the stuff that upsets you. You can throw that away. Add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Your onions. Saute them for a few minutes. Add the garlic. And continue to stir for about 30 seconds. Add 4 cups of water. Add 1 can of stewed tomatoes. 2 teaspoons of paprika. 1 bay leaf. Pepper to taste. And salt to taste. I'm easy with the salt because the veggie cube will add more salt. A little bit of boiling water. Add your veggie cubes. And now the cabbage. Add 2 more cups of water. Cover and bring it to a boil. Once it boils, give it a good stir, turn the heat down to a simmer, and simmer for 45 minutes. When done, remove the bay leaf and enjoy.